Welcome to this session. In this session, we will be discussing the equation of the circle, how to find the equation of tangent and normal to the circle at the given point. Let's see the same on Teletop. To find the equation of a circle, first of all, what we require is the coordinates of the center. ધારો કે જે વર્તુળનું સમીકરણ આપણે ઇવેલ્યુએટ કરવું છે એના કેન્દ્રના યામ છે HK and radius of the circle and radius of the circle is R. So first we'll be discussing the equation with center and radius, how to find the equation. So the point is, there is a circle, the coordinates of the center C are given, HK. Let us consider a variable point on that circle and let me call the coordinates of that point as XY. Clearly, CP will be the radius of the circle. So we begin with that. CP is radius of the circle, as it indicates distance between 2 points. So squaring both the sides, I find that CP square will be R square. C has HK, P, XY. So let us apply distance formula rule. X minus H square plus Y minus K square is equal to R square. X minus H whole square, Y minus K whole square is equal to R square. Let us simplify this equation and see that it is x square minus 2xh h square plus y square minus 2yk plus k square, say minus R square, is equal to 0. That is equal to 0. We rearrange the terms that first x square, then y square, then the term containing x, which is minus 2hx, 2 is there, take note of that, minus 2ky plus there is a constant which is h square plus k square minus r square is equal to 0. This bracketed part is a constant. So, we take note of the general equation of a circle, that general equation of any circle is there is a term containing x square, it is plus y square, and let us say in general it is 2gx plus the term containing y, we call it 2fy, plus there can be at the maximum there can be a constant. So there cannot be more than 5 terms, and with that we note that the coefficient of x square and the coefficient of y square are equal, then and then it represents a circle. At the same time, we see that in the equation there is no term containing x into y. There is no term containing x into y. So that is the condition, the observation, and the above equation which I just wrote represent a real circle provided the square of g square plus f square must be greater than c. So those are few conditions. So in this first part, first item we are discussing, given the center, given the radius, what will be the equation of the circle? Let us discuss the same through one example. The example is, find the equation of the circle, having center. The coordinates of the center are given 3, 4, and that circle pass through, and it passes through the point -1, -2. So this is what we are having, the problem under discussion. Let me explain. The center is given. There is a point P which is given to us. We note that CP, distance between C and P, will be the radius of the circle. C is given to be 3, 4. A point on the circle is given like this. So the coordinates of the center are there. So we need only the radius of the circle to write down the equation. Let us say that R is the radius of the circle. Then R is nothing but distance between C and P. In other words, r square is nothing but Cp square. We keep on calculating distance between C and P. There use distance formula. 3 minus 1 plus 4 minus 2 square. And we see that 3 plus 1, 4 square is 16 plus 6 square result in 36. The sum found to be 52. That was r square. So the radius of the circle is square root 52. Now we are ready. The coordinates of the center and the radius of the circle. We write the required equation as we know, x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square, where h is 3, k 4 and r is square root 52. So let us make the calculation as x minus 3, it is x minus 3 square, y minus 4 square is equal to square root 52 square. That is x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 8y plus 16 is equal to 52. Always write the final required equation of the circle in the following fashion. Term containing x square, y square minus 6x minus 8y plus, we note that 16 plus 9, 25 minus that 52 will be equal to 0. So, final required equation is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y minus 27 is equal to 0. And we complete the calculation. So this is the way of constructing the equation. So we have seen one example in which we saw that the center was given, the radius was there, and we found the equation. Further, next we will discuss that equation is given and find the center and the radius. That is center and radius of the circle from the given equation. For that, we say that let equation of the circle, this will be given to us. Equation of the circle is the standard general equation, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. To find the center and radius given the equation, derivation is, as we all know, is not in the syllabi, it is not included in the syllabi. So we are to remember the following as a formula. The center of such a circle is center equal to, let us call center as C, then the coordinates are minus G minus F, and radius of the circle, we call it R. It is nothing but square root of, take square root of the following quantity, G square plus F square minus C. Evaluate and find the positive square root. Now, how to find center and radius? Let us have one example, that find coordinates of the center. કેન્દ્રના યામ જોઈએ છે. Find center and radius, ત્રિજ્યા. Center and radius of the circle, the equation of the circle is given to us as 36x square plus 36y square plus 24x minus 36y minus 23 equal to 0. So we are given the equation in this fashion. Let us get back to the idea. While evaluating the center and the radius, the standard equation must be in this fashion. If it is not, and the coordinates of x square and y square are, say, number a each, then first of all we have to divide it by that number, which is the case over here. So first of all we have to divide the equation by 36. Let us divide the equation by 36. We find that it is x square plus y square plus 24 by 36 minus 36 by 36 minus 23 upon 36 equal to 0. The coordinates of x square and y square must be 1 each. So, we find that it is x square, y square. Let us simplify a little. Cancelling 12, I find 2 by 3x minus, like that, is equal to 0. Now this equation is in the standard form: x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Compare it with, we are to simply compare only with the standard general equation, that is x square plus y square plus 2g plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This comparison will give us like this: coefficient of x 2g, while here it is 2 by 3. So we write 2 by 3 twice f. Coefficient of y is minus 1. The value of c minus 23 to 36. Okay. Fine. Now let us find g. To cut, the value of g is 1 upon 3 f minus 1 by 2 c as it is. It is 23 by 36. 23 by 36. So friends, it is G, F and C. We have found G, F and C. Okay. So we proceed ahead and see that it is just written the center of such a circle has coordinates minus g minus f. We put g and f. It is minus 1 by 3 and minus f is 1 by 2. Is 1 by 2. So that will be our center, and radius, we have just written the formula. R is nothing but square root of g square plus f square minus c. take care in substituting the value. Always remember that number might be negative, but the square of any real number is always positive. So minus 1 upon 3 square, like this, 1 by 2 minus c, give me 23 upon 36. All that quantity under square root sign. So, we take LCM and simplify. 36 is my LCM. 9 fours are, 4 nines are, and this way 9 plus 4 plus 23, it is square root of 36 by 36, which is 1. So we conclude that the center of the circle, the coordinates of the center, minus 1 upon 3, 1 by 2, and radius of the circle r is equal to 1. So this example gives us an idea that given the equation, how to find the center and the radius. We continue our discussion and come to 3. Title number 3 say tangent. ગુજરાતીમાં આપણે એને સ્પર્શક કહીએ છીએ, tangent, and normal. નોર્મલનો અર્થ થાય છે અભિલંબ. વર્તુળના સ્પર્શક અને અભિલંબના સમીકરણ કેવી રીતે મેળવવા એની વાત આપણે કરી રહ્યા છીએ. વાત કંઈ આ રીતે વર્ણવી શકાય. It can be described in this fashion. There is a circle. I will first calculate the coordinates of the center. There is a point on it. Let us say it is x1, y1. That will be given to us. P will be given to us. We will be given the equation of the circle. Naturally, Cp is the radius of the circle. So that much part will be given to us, that let P x1 y1 be a point, on the circle. A point will be given, the equation of the circle will be given. So at present we write it in the standard general form. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So that will be given to us. The tangent to the circle at P. I mean, this is the tangent of the circle. Let us label it as T, whose equation is required, and the line CP is called the normal of the circle. Here we are to find the equations of line T and N, that is tangent and normal. Again, the derivation is not there under discussion. We remember the formula, that is tangent to the circle. From the given data, first find G, F, C, and then substitute the values in this equation. The equation of tangent is x1, y1 plus g x plus x1 plus f y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. This is the equation of the tangent. The equation of the normal is like this. So we are to remember the equation. In this equation, just substitute the values of, in this equation, substitute G, F, C and x1, y1 and simplify. The resulting equation will be in x, y, some constant equal to 0. And that will be our required equation. The equation of normal is x minus x1 upon x1 plus g equal to y minus y1 divided by y1 plus f. So there are two equations readily with us. Given the matter, after concluding G, F and C, substitute the values, simplify. The resulting equation is our required equation. Let us say it by one example. The example is find tangent and find tangent and normal to the circle. The equation of the circle is given by twice x square twice y square plus 3x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. At the point the point where we require tangent and normal is this one, -1, 2. Given the equation of the circle, we have to find first G, F and C. To compare it with the standard equation, we need to have the coefficients of x square and y square as 1. That means, first I have to divide this equation, the given equation, by 2. Let us do that. It is x square plus y square 3/2 minus 2y plus 1/2 equal to 0. Now compare this equation with our standard equation, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx 2fy plus c equal to 0. And we find that 2g is equal to 3/2, 2f is equal to -2, c is equal to 1/2. So G is found as 3/4, F -1, C 1/2. G, F and C is there. A point is given. Let us call that point as P. That means x1, y1 are, and we say that, and x1 is -1, y1 is 2. So now we are ready to substitute the values in the given equation, and we find that on substituting we find that equation of the tangent, now shortly we denote it by T, xx1 y y1 g x plus x1 f y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. Now we substitute the values. X is there, x1 is given to be -1, okay, y1 2, g found to be 3/4, x plus x1 x f is minus 1 into y plus y1, and y1 is given to be 2, okay, plus c. Now c is 1 by 2, and that will be equal to 0. We have to take enough care while simplifying in this way. Now let us look at the quantity 2 and 4. The LCM is 4. લસા છે 4. 4 વડે સમીકરણને ગુણી લઈએ. minus 4x 8y plus 3x minus 3. Take due care while simplification. 4y minus 8 plus 2 equal to 0. That gives us minus 4x plus 3x, and the simplification leads us to minus 3 minus 8 minus 11 plus 2 minus 9 equal to 0. Out of 3, there are 2 negative terms. So we say that let us multiply that equation by minus 1, and we find as equation of the tangent to the given circle at the given point. Further, we search for the equation of the normal. आज प्रमाणे આગળ વધીએ અને વર્તુળના અભિલંબનું સમીકરણ મેળવીએ. The equation is x minus x1 plus g equal to y minus so it's very simple, and just substitute the values. On substitution, we will see that what will be the resulting equation. We proceed. X, what was x1 minus 1 divided by x1 plus g, okay, x1 plus g, that is equal to y minus y1 divided by y1 plus f, as it was minus 1. The simplification leads to, we check the denominator, minus 1 plus 3 by 4, 4 will be your LCM, minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1, is minus 1. So the simplification come to this one, minus denominator become numerator, and we see that the equation is like this. As it is negative, we take it on one side, this one is already there, then there will be 0 on the other side. Give me 4x plus 4 plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. And finally, we come to the equation of the normal as this one. So, that is the required equation of the normal. So, 3 points were discussed in this discussion. Given the center and the radius of the circle, how to find the equation of the circle. Second point, given the equation of the circle, how to find the center and the radius of the circle. And point number 3, given the equation of the circle, a point on it, how to find the equation of tangent as well as normal. Let us have few more sums on this circle. We have very good sums to discuss, like if the radius of the circle, the equation of the circle, let me write it on the next page, is if the radius of 4x square, the equation of the circle given to us is 4y square minus 16x minus 12y plus k equal to 0 is, see, equation is given, k is unknown. On the other hand, the radius of this circle is given to me as 2. The question is, what will be k? Okay. As usual, to start calculation, first convert the coefficients of x square plus y square as 1. That is, I have to divide it by 4. Let us do that. It is x square plus y square minus 4x. You are dividing by 4. 3y k by 4 equal to 0. Compare this equation with the standard equation, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. We say that 2g, 2f and c like this. That gives us g minus 2, f minus 3 by 2, C, k by 4. Okay. But we know that the radius of the circle is given by square root g square plus f square minus c. That we have seen in earlier discussion. Squaring both the sides for the sake of simplicity of simplification, r square will be like this, where the value of r is given to be 2. It is right over there. So we substitute 2 square is equal to minus 2 square f square 9 by 4 minus c. 4 cut, and we see that c or k, well, it was c. I have made a bit mistake, no problem. C minus 9 by 4 equal to 0. But our C is k by 4. So we take it on the next page, that k by 4 minus 9 by 4 equal to 0. So it's very simple to say that 4 and the value of k comes out to be 9. So this is the way of finding the equation of the circle, tangent, normal, and etc. Equation of the circle. How to find the equation of tangent and normal? Thank you for attending this session.